Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
At Santa Cruz, there are 2 underpasses after 200 meters. No way, sir. We cannot be denied at least not an overpass, underpass. Maybe a bridge from here to that side. There is place to acquire.
Somebody dies this side. From which side we are going to come here? If somebody dies that side, people are passing that side. We are neighbors here. That is my house. To come here, I had go to Pede and then take a turn and then come here.
लोकांची आमदाराकडे मांडली, दोन्ही काउन्सिलरांक मांडली, सरकाराकडे मांडली आणि त्याच प्रमाणात पेपरांचेर सुद्धा छापून येयल्ले की खंयसर पॉयंटाचेर खंय अंडरपास आसतली आणि तितून हे मेन्शन आसले हांगा.
आणि पर्रीकारान हिंगा एक वाट धरलेली बायपास टू क्रॉस, तर पण ही ड्यू टू नेग्लिजन्स, आमच्या काउन्सिलराचे नेग्लिजन्स आणि ऑथॉरिटीजाचे नेग्लिजन्सा पासत आयज क्रॉसिंग आमकां करून मेळोंक ना.
What has been taken by the NHAI authorities is the absolute bare minimum which needs to be taken.
Yes.
And you will also agree with me, ma'am, that there are fields that are taken and as soon as the highway is built, the fields are returned.
आमदार म्हणटा मुख्यमंत्र्याकडे उलोवन विषय जाग्यार घालता, वेळ पडल्यार खंय केंद्रीय हायवे मंत्री गडकरी कडेन उलोवंक लायता.
In fact, I called OSD to CM, Commander Padi, and they have listened to all the grievances of the people. They have noted down. He will work out a solution as to how we can people get eased out or can move freely into that and safely. More important, safety of the people important. Or can then move into the other part, that area, into the market. I will tell him, request him to take this proposal to Nitin Gadkari, who is the Honorable Minister of Highways, and work some solution on that.
प्रुडंटा खातीर श्याम सुंदर फडते.